What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're gonna go over our friend Ethereum. I'm currently sitting at 1618, up 1.96 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 1.93 billion. 24-hour volume 10.47 billion. Let's hop into the chart. It's gonna start here on the 1 hour time frame. A little bit of push up right now, seeing a little bit of push. What we could be potentially looking at is that we completed a wave 2 pullback, as I've been mentioning, before we come down in a wave 3 within a larger 1 2 3 4 5, looking at this being the top of a wave 1 and this being a regular ABC correction coming down into a wave 2. That's one of the possibilities. And now we've started to come down basically in a wave 1, potential wave 2 pullback, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 of the wave 3, of the wave 3, of the wave 2. But if we do come up and start to break these highs, especially if we come up and we break 1725, it would invalidate that. And we'd have to look at a different wave count. Now, the really bullish wave count here is that we've already completed a wave 1 to the upside. This is a wave 2 pullback, and now we're going to push up in a large wave 3. I don't think it's the more likely scenario because I do think Bitcoin is going to continue to come down in a wave 5, and that this is a relief rally as shown here, wave 4 pullback, seeing a wave 5. But anything can happen. We've been watching this head and shoulders pattern. Currently, we're just flirting with the neckline here. We push above it, we push below, we push above it. So if we do come up and break this right shoulder, that could be a little bit more confirmation that we will see a push back up to retest these highs. Just watch for a potential double top pattern. But I am still watching this head and shoulders. We're just flirting with the neckline. So if we do start to drop down, the breakdown target, which chart do I have that on? I'll just pop it open onto this one. So the breakdown target for potential head and shoulders would take you down basically very close to this strong level of support, take you down to about 1190. So do watch for that. And if we were to push up, especially if we come up, we start to break out of about 1648. Potentially what we'd be looking at here is I think we'd have to come all the way up really close to these highs. Come up, actually, if we do come up and break this high at about 1727, that would give me a little bit more bias towards a bullish scenario of a retest of this high. But as of right now, we continue to get rejected. So as you can see here, rejection, push up a little higher, rejection. So if we just get rejected once again, and then we could definitely see some more downward price action for our friend Ethereum, as we did here. We got rejected, pushed a little bit higher, rejected for a third time before a drop. The confirmation of a push, as I mentioned, come up and break about 1648, and especially if you come up and break about 1722, then we may see a retest, and we could definitely look at a potential wave 2 being finished, pushing up in a wave 3. But I think it's much more likely that this is a relief rally and a wave 4, and we're still going to see one more wave down in the market. As I mentioned previously, if you look at the previous bear market and you look at the relief rally, it's very, very similar to the one we had now. If we take our Fibonacci from the all-time high, this relief rally pushed up here all the way up to the 0.5, and from the bottom to the top, it was a rally of about 140%. If we take a Fibonacci from this high here all the way down to the bottom, you can see where it pushed up to just above the 0.5 on the Fib, very, very close. And this rally here from the bottom to the top was about 121%. So you can see the similarities of this bear market rally. And then we saw continuation to the downside. It doesn't mean it has to happen again, but just looking at the overall market, I think it's I think there's a high probability. I've been taking some heat for it. I could be wrong, but it's just my opinion. All right, guys, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. Haven't said that in a long time, waiting for his passport renewal so he can keep traveling the world. Yeah. Corny. All right, so that's basically it for this one. Your levels of resistance to watch are currently where we're hitting. We've been rejected multiple times. Previous level of support at the golden ratio at 1604. Your next level to watch is about 1644, and then up at about 1727. If 1727 is broken, then I would flip more bullish. But as of right now, we're just continuing to hit resistance until that's broken, and until we can hold the golden ratio as support, and then we can still come down in a potential wave 3. All right, guys, that's it for this little update. Big shout out to the Discord. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You can get my exact entries, exits, and take profits at the $10 membership. Only $10 a month. Sign up to the Patreon, and our members are posting chart patterns, all types of goodies. Make sure to check out Bybit, $4,500 in bonuses. My favorite exchange for trading. I love it over there. It is absolutely awesome. You'll avoid those scam wicks that you get trading on other exchanges, in my opinion. Check out my full-length tutorial, $4,500 in bonuses. See you in the next video. All right, peace, much love.